In the old days, patients would get written prescriptions and it would be their challenge to take that to the pharmacy, get the medication filled. But with e-prescribing, you have providers connected to pharmacies electronically, and it really embraces the fact that we're all working on behalf of the patient. So rather than having that piece of paper, now we can transform that information into technology-driven solutions, including things like CancelRx.
We're really going to see the successes from a patient quality standpoint in building that communication between the prescriber and the pharmacist so that we can electronically exchange information.
Clear example with patient safety. It is very common in the workflow of doctors such as myself, a primary care doctor, to adjust medication dosage or change from one drug to another in control of a chronic illness, let's say hypertension or diabetes. And it's very confusing to patients, particularly those on multiple medications, to say, all right, remember you are on one of your 3 blood pressure pills, the one that ends in a PRIL, although maybe you have a brand name so it doesn't look like it does. Well, it's that one, and we show them the bottle. I want you to stop that one, and I'm going to give you a new one to take in its place, which is going to look similar to the name, but it's going to be a different milligram, and that one's only once a day. All right, I've already forgotten what I've just told the patient. Imagine the poor patient. We end up in this unfortunate situation of having a misunderstanding because there was no clear communication to the pharmacist. What I have prescribed before, cancel it. Get rid of it. Do not allow that empty bottle to unintentionally create a medication error, either by duplication or substitution. So I think there's, tremendous utility there.
A big piece of medication reconciliation is along getting rid of the medications that the patient shouldn't be taking. And just having that communication between the physician and the pharmacist is really important.
Well, it just can't be a one-sided submit information. We also need to be able to update information. So CancelRx seems to be a really great starting point.